Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy crypto on crypto.com. In order to buy crypto on crypto.com, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So first thing first, you need to log into your crypto wallet account. And after that, you'll need to set up or access fiat wallet. So in order to do that procedure, tap the icon located right at the bottom right in center, or the account icon, and this is going to direct you to the other interface where you'll need to select fiat wallet from the bottom. So from there, you need to follow the instruction, and then you've successfully created your fiat wallet. Once you've accessed your fiat wallet, head over to your home screen once again, and after that, you need to click the trade icon located in the top left hand side. As soon as you click the trade icon, on the lower half of your screen, you'll be able to find two different options, either to buy or sell. So you'll have to tap the buy button located right in the corner, and then you'll be asked to enter in the exact amount of Bitcoin that you wish to buy. And also you have to make sure that you already have enough funds, or that you've linked any of the payment sources. It could be your bank account, debit card, or whatever. Once you've done that, click on submit. Next page, there will be some sort of confirmation, so go through it all, and if you're sure about it, then tap on setup recurring buy located right at the bottom. And after you've done that, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully bought the amount of cryptos. That's how you can buy crypto on crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.